Hello there, kindergarten friends. It's Miss Hess here. And you guessed it, I am not in my library today. I am here in my kitchen. I hope this finds everyone doing well. It's a cold, rainy day today. So I'm glad I'm inside. And I have a good story for you. Before we get rolling with the story, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever had a bad dream before? We sometimes call them nightmares. Have you ever had one of those? Yes, right? Everybody has nightmares, bad dreams. Even adults do. I have them from time to time. So in our story today, we're going to meet a little guy who has to deal with having a bad dream. And we're going to see what he does to get through that, okay? You guys ready? Okay, buckle up. Here we go. Today's story is called The Night Lion, and it is by Sane Duft. Okay, here we go. The Night Lion. Morgan has a hat. His hat makes him tall. Morgan has a sword. Ha, 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 ha. His sword makes him strong. Morgan is wild and fierce and frightening. Wah! I'm a knight with a sword. Fight me if you dare. But Lisa is scared. Little sister, right? And Mama's busy. Nana says, let's go for a walk in the woods. A knight needs fresh air. Nana carries a sword and the hat. Morgan thinks they look good on her. Can you guys think of another name for Nana? Some kids call a Nana a grandma or grandmother, right? That's what Nana means. That night, Morgan dreams about a robber in the woods. The robber wants his sword and his hat. Oh! Can you see that robber? Right there, right? It's dark. So these pages have no words on them. You can look at the pictures and make up your own ideas about the story right here, right? Mom comes when Morgan cries out, "Ah! There is no robber," she says. Morgan feels better, but only a little. So he was dreaming back here, right, on these pages. He's just having a bad dream. There is a robber, Morgan cries. There really is. He's big and strong, and he wants my sword and my hat. Mom tries to reassure him. It was only a dream. But that doesn't stop Morgan from being afraid. So Morgan had a dream that was kind of linked to something he did during the day, right? He really did go for a walk in the woods with his Nana. And then later on, when he was dreaming at night, all of a sudden there was a robber in his dream. Are your dreams ever like that? They're kind of a little bit like your real life, but then something scary happens? Yeah, that's where he's at right now. The next day, Nana brings Morgan a lion. But it's not my birthday, says Morgan. Well, says Nana, everyone needs a lion sometimes, especially at night. Does Nana know about my dream? Morgan wonders. Having a lion will be a lot of fun, says Morgan. And a lot of work, says Nana. A lion needs a cave to sleep in. And a night to guard him. And heaps of food, Morgan adds. That's right, Nana agrees. Otherwise, he'll roar when he gets hungry, and that will scare everyone away. That night, Morgan snuggles in bed with the lion in his arms. Do you guys have a favorite stuffed animal that you like to sleep with? I bet you do. Everybody likes stuffed animals, even adults. Even if they don't say they like them, they do. And they even like to sleep with them. Is a lion really that big? No, but he feels that safe with that lion, doesn't he? Like it's a big lion just cuddling him. Aww. He hears a sound. A branch is breaking. Lion, do you hear that? Morgan whispers. He's coming.
Don't be scared,
says the night lion.
You are a knight. Take your hat and your sword and climb on my back.
Is this really happening? Morgan's dreaming again, right? The night lion roars. Roar! Roar! Oh, how he roars. Together they gallop through the woods, chasing the robber. Roar! They are wild and fierce and frightening. I am a knight with a sword. Fight me if you dare, Morgan shouts.
What is all this noise?
Dad opens the bedroom door. Don't worry, says Morgan. Tell Mom we chased him away. You can go to sleep now. Morgan has a hat. His hat makes him tall. Morgan has a sword. His sword makes him strong. And Morgan has a lion. His lion makes him braver than anyone, especially at night. That was the end of our story. Did you like it? Oh, I really like this story. This is a new book to my library, and I discovered it a couple of weeks ago. I've been waiting for the perfect day to read it to you. And this rainy, cold day, I thought is a perfect day to read a story about dreaming. I wish you all a really good day and a good week, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.